Ay, nalagay yun din.
Yes, we are ready to pray. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Morning.
Valenzuela, BBG. Babaw.
Pwede ka na ipunta-punta lang sa naman.
Kaso di nababayad nga kami.
Hernandez. Romeo. John Paul. Dantes, Jeffrey. Millones, Joy. Gabatin. Lilia. Soltes, Christine. Natario, Christine. Villarte. Mikan, Hershey. Solas.
Present, sir!
Nakikinig ka na ako.
Meridian Ruiz. Dermas, Regan.
Sir!
Bandalis, Regan Michael.
Simon.
Hernandez, Ray.
Present, sir!
Rivera, Mark, Eric. Malota, Princess. Gurnal, Malota. Federico. Nunez, Christine. Morgan, Simon. Tulcano, Luis Raymond. Juarez, Gifred. Cabigaw, Cedric. Herminio, Nathaniel. Campuzano. Burnas.
Present ko.
Portugalisa. Kal.
Present, sir.
Akbar, Misigel. Mexicana, John Lawrence. Nasabia. Nasabia.
Present ko.
Marquez.
Present.
Guerrero, Ian Day. Limpo, Princess. Murillo Shia Team. Antonio Piana. Devano. Aero. Divina Jamaica. Guillermo Jasmine. Geraldino. Good morning, everyone. Our classroom rules is number 1, listen carefully to your teacher. Respect one another. Keep quiet when someone is talking. Raise your hand when you want to speak. Don't use cell phone during the discussion. Ito po yung ating classroom rules. Okay, last, what is the topic last time po? Tayo po. Different tayo. Ay. Tayo. Give me one. Okay, ikaw po. Paligaw. Paligaw. Ano po? Dito. Plus. Ikano? Ayam. Meron po ako dito ng ilalim dyan. Wait, ayan na po, scrambled letter. The title is arrangement. You will arrange the scrambled letter to form the correct group. Number 1. Yung pasagot. Pasagot po sa ulan. Number 2. Hindi po pasagot. Three, Simon. Four, sir. Four. Five, four. Five na po.
Ako sir, sir. Ano ba sir? Hey. Kukunin ako. Ayoko talaga.
Hindi na po, hindi na five.
Uglot na kayo sa body. Station manager. Foundation.
Number 2.
Sir, number mo kayo.
Kasi nagsagot ko number 2. Hanggang po, ika na lang po number 2. sir. Number 1, is it not failure? Number 2, grade or error. Top 3, service punctuation,
Teacher, sa baba kaya siya. Service pa.
Sa 4, no connection. Then sa last, number 5, slow connection. Ngayon po, dadako na tayo sa ating nalakal. Ang lesson for today is all about diagnose faults of computer system and network. Our learning objectives. At the end of the discussion, the learner should be able to number 1, pakibasa po Mr. Regano. And number 2, pakibasa Mr. Gabigaw.
Ako, sir.
And number 3, pakibasa po.
Apply the proper procedures and use the tools, materials, and equipment.
Okay, thank you po. Introduction. Who wants to read po? Pakibasa po. Sa computer diagnosis quiz, mayroon po dito step that follow each time can read. Step number 1 po, who can read? Sa identify the cell function potential po dito. First step is kailangan mo po munang i-determine the nature of the problem. Kung ang sira po ay about sa website, reachable or just one sa view. Sa computer consistency, online or is the connection flapping. Our website reachable by IP address but not by name. And there are any error message indicating what type of error was it encountered. Number 2, who can read po? Goodness,
Ako pa yung number 4 muna ako.
Identify the affected area. This step is similar for the first step po. But dito po sa identify the affected area, nilalaman po nito kung gaano kalawak yung affected area. It's affecting one computer per user or multiple computers per user. Users are all computers in the subnet or all users in the domain. It's the one network that if you are providing support to another user and you reproduce the error with yourself, gather data information. Okay po, please read po, Mr. Delgado.
Establish what state. This is where you try to put the connectivity problem in one kind of time frame. Find out if the user was ever able to successfully do what you want to not do. When did the error first appear? Before the appearance of the error, were there any programs or operating system updates installed? How about new drivers or browser logic? Were any new goods, clients, servers, networking devices, printers, etc. added to the network? Any new users, user groups, or active directory object such as domains, OUS, or something.
Number 3 po, establish what has changed. Ito po is, kailangan yung alamin kung ano po yung mga nabago sa backlog o problem in some kind of time frame. Dapat po is how about yung drivers or browsers, plugins, yung initial we have client servers, networking, drivers or browser plugins. Number 4 po, was
Ako naman. Karayuman kaya ka na.
Isolated, unacceptable expectation
Base sa iyong binasa, ano po yung idea mo about sa binasa? Establish na yung mga use your technical expertise to isolate and explain the cause of the problem. Dito po kailangan nyo na po siyang gamitan ng diagnostic tools para malaman kung ano yung probable cause. 5. Determine if this condition is necessary. Please read po, Mr. Cabigyaw.
But determine if escalation is necessary. If you believe that the activity error is outside the scope of administration, you will need to transfer resolution to another entity. For example, if you cannot connect to the internet users, now you believe that the problem is not router or other equipment, you will need to contact your internet service provider or ISP and another. Let us them to investigate perhaps one of the or browser is down another network is abyss of equipment on your network that is locally captured administered by the device.
Kapag determinate installation is necessary,
Tapos ako sa mga baon parang kung nasa gamit kong device nasa
Sabi po dito sa determine if installation is necessary, if you cannot connect to the internet, if you're strongly believe that the problem is not your computer, router, or other equipment, you will need to contact your internet service provider and ask them to investigate perhaps one of your lines or routers and setup. Okay, thank you po. Sa implement an action planning solution, including potential effects. So, basically, there's a responsibility to fix the error also or if you need to transfer it to another party, you must devise a resolution and start checking of action items. Dito po is kailangan nyo po implement an action plan or solution. Hindi na po sayang gawin po sa tayo po. Kailangan nyo na po dalhin sa technician na sa nakakalang paano ayusin. 7 po is the result. And please read po.
dating 408 hanggang 490.
David sila sa That's the result. When you believe the state of the action plan have been put in try to recreate the error. Observe the result of the implementation. If the problem is yan. Ito po, pag na-test nyo na po yung ay, kailangan nyo na po yung test na result. Tingnan nyo po kung yung problema ay nawala na po. Sa number 8 po,
Sabi nga nila ko sa tanong ko na sa nag-aaral para makapag yung paritan. Magpapalong ko na sa
What a solution has been found to ensure that normal network operation is required and that no new problem
Pwede sa dati pang natin.
para pagkatapos mo mag na-solve na po yung Decision mo na po na wala lang po
I think the boss identify the result and the mix of classification. Para solution has been found, ensure that normal network operation has been resolved.
Rakop. Karakop pa di mga nagchichismisan.
We have a common causes of connection. Moving with Bosa, number 1, slow connection. Please read.
Hindi naman kita naglimit o pagkalat.
Sa slow connection po, bakit slow connection po? Okay ng sir po, sa slow connection, yung idea, ay idea, gusto yung idea ko. Slow connection.
like what?
Slow connection po, kadalasan po, kaya na ang ating internet is sa kadailanang minsan po maraming gumagamit, then minsan naman po is malayo tayo sa router. But with regard to it, especially if there are plenty of device connected during data aggregation and task. Sa number 2, no connection at all. Again, wait po. This read.
Aliyah.
Sige na. Dali na.
Sa no connection at all po, kadalasan po na iwasan no connection at all sa dalap pag mayroon po weather o construction work. Kadalasan po nababagsakan po ng yung rock or kuryente po, nawawalan po ng kuryente. Kaya no connection at all. Number 3 naman po, service fluctuation. Walk and rate po.
Ari po.
Number 3. Okay ba?
Paluko kayo sayang. Bed.
Sa service fluctuation naman po, internet service providers also experience problem on their end, often resulting in users not getting their contracted internet speed. Sa service fluctuation po, not getting their contracted internet speed. So, kadalasan po yung kadalasan dito po yung mayroong problema, kaya yung internet is mahina po. Kaya ang sa number 4 po is equipment failure. Kaya yung para po sa number 4.
Equipment failure. Your brothers or model or router may be damaged by this
Minsan po nagkakaroon ng inventory yung mga kinakaroon ko ng mga gamit yung ginaba po sa biyo na yung sa pagalan ng pinang gamit. Sa 5 po, operator na
Lima kayo na napakan. Adi siguro may kong gamit gabay na ba?
sa operator error po, the cost common operator daw is that cost pa ay coordinated to consumer plan. Dahil po sa maling pagkakasak sa mga sa yung jako, but rules yung natin yung duplicating kadalasan po kasi yung isang mali po yung nasasak. Tapos na po na kayo ng activity yung sinunod sa akin. Tapos na po. Mag-click po ba yung ayun, kasunod-sunod mo lang.